Firstly, you'll need a bunch of
This.
Wondering if it actually works?
Huh?
Let's test it out. I'll put my keychain through this loop. It's kind of tough to open. Even so, be careful so it doesn't rip. Fixed it! Yeah. I already put it through the loop. Now let's lock it in. This part is tough too, but be patient and you'll be there. Ta-da! Looks absolutely stunning. The chain is pretty strong, not gonna lie. You can also put it in a tote bag. Cool. Cool. Yeah, very cool. Yes.
You need to leave!
Very stylish indeed. And just snacking on them whenever and wherever you are. Because obviously it'll be fun because it's a keychain and can flex it on your friends.
Bruh.
I hope this may spark some ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and even though it's only 2 minutes long, I hope you guys had fun.